What a beautiful day. Boy, the deer were in here last night. Can you believe that? This is April 15th, 2019. Last night we had, or starting yesterday, the 14th, we had snow come in. And we had, oh gosh, well, it's 11 o'clock in the morning now. We had about 7, maybe 8 inches of snow. And it's melting fast, falling from the trees. I was fortunate enough, I got the leaves all picked up. Had my 2 of my granddaughters out over the weekend, and it was chilly, but not too cold. I mean, it got up to maybe 50 degrees one day. At night was cold, and we picked up the leaves. And, we're just gonna take a look down by the lake. I heard a lot of trees come down with this wet snow, and you could see the deer tracks here. Deer were everywhere last night. I looked out from 11 o'clock at night to 6 o'clock this morning. There was deer. I counted one time 9, 10 deer, still semi-yarded up. But that snowstorm came out of nowhere. We're calling for rain. You can see trees bent over still here on the path from the weight of that snow. We didn't get warning of that snowstorm approaching until Saturday afternoon, about 4 o'clock. And at that time it was a big rain event down in Texas. And on the radar you can see it was moving north, but they were only calling for 35-degree temperatures here in Michigan Saturday or Sunday. So I didn't think we'd get this much snow. But it sure does make for a beautiful morning. Here down by the lake, you can see all the ice is off the lake. Frost is actually out of the ground. No frost in the ground anywhere. But the ground hasn't warmed up too much. You can see where the deer walk down to the lake. Probably get a drink. Okay, we're going to take a look underwater. Hopefully you could hear me all right. I know sometimes water will get in these microphones. Back up. Take a walk through the woods.